Install K9s on Mac. We will start with the real error. If K9s is missing, install K9s with Homebrew. It downloads the bottle and adds K9s is now installed on the machine. Now print the K9s version so you know, then confirm the binary path. On Apple Silicon, Homebrew links it under opt Homebrew bin. K9s info shows where configs, plugins, hotkeys. These paths are useful when you customize K9s later. Check the built-in command help before launching the full terminal UI. The important flags are namespace, context, read-only mode, and all namespaces. K9s needs a Kubernetes context. This machine has. That means the install is good, and the next step is connecting a real cluster. One last help check shows the safe launch flag. K9s is installed, verified, and ready for your Kubernetes workflow.